So
I'm gonna guess that this probably has been used only as a tow.
to tow his lawnmower around his backyard for 13,000 miles.
That's about it.
Yeah. So Jude has the diff cover off his 13,000 mile vehicle, and then look at the wear, and then here's the magnet. 13,000 miles. So sometimes you just can't get away from the wear of the abuse that this is under, but you can actually see how the fluid started to discolor from the extreme heat and load from when it was being towed. Is that crazy? And this is where that's throwing, look, this is where it's throwing the gear oil around, and the extreme temperatures of this gear oil was leaving the sludge behind. So you can't really necessarily say that this rear would have made it 60,000 miles based on a 13,000 mile differential cover pull and fluid service. And this is proof in the pudding right here. Clutches and steels on the magnet. Sludge already in the cover. 1,000 mile vehicle. My point is saying, well, if the manufacturer said that this vehicle, right, needs a diff service at 90K, this rear could have been grenaded by 90K.
Oh, absolutely.
Based on what I'm seeing right here. Like, that's pretty bad. Plus, it's starting to leak. And it wasn't low enough for it to start overheating the bearings and everything else inside there. Like, when I pull my race car diff apart, typically after I use it, it's not like this. It's clean, but my diff comes apart probably, I don't know, once a year for inspection and fluid change. I don't wait for it to break.
You're also not driving that, you know, you're not putting a ton of miles on it.
But it's under 900 foot-pounds of torque.
No, it's under blowing your head gasket. That's what it's doing.
But yeah, so this is just proof. I always advise, throw the maintenance schedule right out the window and stick to, guys know, is that the fluid isn't designed to last forever. Sooner maintenance is cheaper than replacing parts. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We're getting ready to get out of here.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. And if you don't like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. How about that one?